When it comes to building wealth, there's one milestone that stands out above all others: your very first $100,000. Almost every investor agrees that getting to this number feels like climbing a mountain with your bare hands. It requires patience, sacrifice, and relentless discipline. But here's the twist. Once you reach that $100,000 mark, something almost magical happens. The rules of the game begin to change. You're no longer relying just on your effort and savings. Your money finally begins to work for you in a way that feels real. And if you handle this stage correctly, that six-figure base can snowball into $1 million faster than you think. I call this moment the wealth acceleration point, and in this video, I'll show you how it works. Stick with me until the very end, because the difference between stopping at $100,000 and accelerating to $1 million often comes down to just a few crucial decisions. What is the rationale behind the existence of this wealth acceleration point? The solution is found in the power of compounding. When beginning with a few $1,000s, even reliable returns may not evoke much enthusiasm. A return of 7% on an investment of $10,000 amounts to $700 over the course of a year. However, with an investment of $100,000, that same 7% translates to $7,000. That represents a used car, several months of living expenses, or even a pleasant vacation, all generated from your existing investments. This is the point where the transition truly begins to manifest. By choosing to reinvest that $7,000 rather than spending it, you allow your principal to expand, resulting in a compounded amount of $107,000 in the subsequent year, rather than just $100,000. This represents the compounding advantage that many aspire to achieve, highlighting the importance of safeguarding and expanding your initial $100,000 as a crucial milestone in the journey of wealth accumulation. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers. However, it's important to recognize the potential risks involved. Many individuals reach the $100,000 milestone and begin to celebrate as though they have already achieved their ultimate financial goals. They may relax their financial discipline, elevate their spending, or even draw from their investments for non-essential purchases. While that vacation or early car upgrade may seem inconsequential, it's important to recognize that every dollar you spend today is a dollar that forfeits years of potential growth through compounding. At this stage, the primary focus should be on safeguarding your foundation with utmost diligence. Regard your $100,000 as a vital asset, one that should remain secure and untouched. Your finances are more than mere currency, they serve as the cornerstone for your future prosperity. This is also the phase where managing risk is essential. A decline of 20% on a $5,000 portfolio can be challenging, yet it is manageable. Experiencing a 20% decline on an investment of $100,000? That represents a significant financial setback, and recovering from it may require a considerable amount of time. That's why seasoned investors begin to diversify as their foundation expands. Rather than pursuing high-risk stocks or investing heavily in speculative opportunities, now is the moment to focus on creating a balanced portfolio. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to broad market index funds for consistent growth. It's also wise to include some bonds or cash equivalents to enhance stability. Additionally, you might want to set aside a smaller portion for higher risk investments that you have a solid understanding of. Diversification is not merely a mundane strategy. It serves to safeguard your achievements while facilitating the continued growth of your wealth. Tax considerations become increasingly significant at this stage, In a smaller portfolio, the impact of losing a few $100s to taxes annually is often negligible. With an investment of 6 figures, a mere 1% tax drag can result in an annual cost of $1,000. That's capital that could be working for you through compounding rather than being allocated to the government. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, such as retirement plans or their local counterparts, has the potential to save you significant amounts over time. It's important to pay attention to the regulations surrounding capital gains. Maintaining your investments for more than a year to take advantage of reduced tax rates can significantly impact your financial outcomes. These small strategic decisions can significantly enhance your journey toward achieving $1 million. Now, let's discuss automation, as this is where consistency is firmly established. By automating your contributions, preferably immediately following your payday, you effectively eliminate the temptation to spend those funds elsewhere. The funds are allocated directly to investments prior to any expenditure. As your income increases, consider increasing your contributions accordingly. Even an additional $200 or $300 each month can accumulate into tens of thousands over time. Automation provides a reliable framework, and this reliability is a key factor in enhancing wealth growth. At the same time, it's crucial to avoid undermining your financial goals through lifestyle inflation. It's important to recognize that you can improve your financial situation, but it's wise to approach significant, long-term expenditures with caution. Increasing your mortgage or financing a luxury vehicle can significantly impact your monthly expenses, resulting in reduced resources available for your investment portfolio. Instead, prioritize steering clear of substantial financial obligations that could hinder your investment growth. Minor luxuries are unlikely to impact your financial stability, but significant ongoing costs can have a substantial effect. One of the most overlooked practices at this stage is the reinvestment of all returns, be it dividends, interest, or rental income. This is where the benefits of compounding become evident. Over a decade, reinvesting payouts has the potential to significantly enhance your wealth, potentially adding hundreds of thousands to your financial portfolio. It's important to recognize that neglecting reinvestment, even for a short period, can have a considerable impact on your growth trajectory. Your earnings remain the essential driver that supports your investment portfolio. Increasing your income, through advancements, acquiring new skills, launching side ventures, or making strategic career decisions, provides additional funds for investment opportunities. While it may not be possible to significantly boost your income immediately, reallocating a larger portion of your current earnings into investments can yield substantial benefits over time. Every additional $1,000 invested today holds the potential for significant growth over the next 10 years. Certainly, the path to achieving $1 million is rarely without its challenges. Market fluctuations can be significant, with both upward and downward movements occurring at times. It's important to understand that experiencing a decline in your portfolio over a year or two is a typical occurrence. It is essential to maintain your investment strategy and keep making contributions, even in challenging market conditions. Purchasing additional assets during periods of low prices strategically positions you for enhanced returns when the market rebounds. Exercising long-term patience can be quite challenging, yet it often yields the most significant rewards. It's important to be cautious of a common trap, overconfidence. Observing your investments increase from $100,000 to $200,000 can instill a sense of confidence and accomplishment. However, the markets can be quite humbling. When you begin to pursue trends or make hasty decisions based on headlines, you jeopardize the hard work and progress you've built over the years. Adhere to your strategy. Maintain a careful balance of your risk exposure. It's important to keep in mind that a steady approach is often more effective than chasing quick gains. To enhance your growth potential, consider utilizing lump sums as they become available to you. Consider channeling your tax refunds, bonuses, or profits from valuable sales into your investment portfolio. These lump sums serve as accelerators, propelling your portfolio forward significantly when invested early in your financial journey. Watch the video appearing on the left side to know the 5 stages of compounding where the 90% of investors fail to reach. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.